Hbar at the time of this recording seems to be reversing after getting a reaction on our key area of support between the 0.215 and the 0.164. And at the time of this recording, I'm now watching for a break above our key area of resistance above the 0.25324 to flip that key area back into support before we can continue pushing higher. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we can easily see higher prices in the next coming days, and above all discuss my long-term perspective of the chart, giving you reasons why we can easily see a massive pump all the way to new all-time highs. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, I want to first focus on this additive structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 22nd of June, where you can see that we first picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, we started a bit of a slight pullback to the downside in the formation of this second wave, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8. And you can see that we have now seen a slight pullback into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the 7 and the 618, which is the golden pocket. And we are now seeing a reaction of that target area in what can easily turn out to be the start of the next leg to the upper side in the formation of that third wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to as my next impulsive target area is the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.5 USDT mark, an area that we can easily hit in the next coming days. But first, we need to see a substantial break above resistance above the 0.25324, maybe with and the moment we break it, we need to see a retest, then continue pushing higher and get a break above the swing high we made above the 0.3 USDT mark. The moment you get a break above those two significant areas, then I don't see much of resistance in between here all the way to the 0.5 USDT mark. Then we can expect the wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. Zooming out on the chart, before I zoom out, I also need to say that in case we get rejected and maybe continue seeing further downside, I will only expect to see one more new low in the formation of that second wave within this blue target area. And as long as you continue holding within this area, there's a chance of a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. So in case we get rejected, this is the area that you need to pay attention to. Zooming out on the charts, I still maintain that from the lows we made back in 2024, that is in November, we saw that impulsive bounce in the formation of that first wave, so a pullback in the formation of that second wave, which lasted for a few months within this red target area, which was the minimum target area. And we are now seeing a reaction of this red target area in what can easily turn out to be the start of the next leg to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 that should take us to new all-time highs, and that is based on the fib extensions, where you can see that if I connect the fib extension from the low we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the fibs to the lows we made in the formation of the second wave, the minimum target area lies on the fib level 0. That is the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.07958. And if that target area is hit, then Hbar will be able to put in place a new all-time high. So that is all that I expect on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out and that will ensure you stay up to date.